let's say that you have to draw this drawing in front of us. Okay, here I'm going to show you how it is like. So we don't know if this is an assembly or what, but I'm going to try to draw it as a whole, as one drawing, right? Because I didn't say that's an assembly. Okay, so I'm going to go there and say new sketch there, metric, standard millimeter, I go create. Alright, so once I'm in here, I'm going to go for sketch. Okay, I'm going to start with a line. So this line here is as for guidance, you know, just a reference one. So that's one there. I want it to be what? To be 400 millimeter. Remember, just for reference, you don't have to draw this, but it's easier this way. Okay, and then I'm gonna go for a circle now. There is my circle. Okay, and this one needs to be 33 millimeters, so 33. Right, so 33 millimeters. Great. Then I'm gonna go for this rectangle. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. Okay, there we go. Again, another rectangle. So this one will be like this. Okay, that's one there. So now what I want from there up to the to be 38. So 38. Great, that is fine. And I want now this one here. How long is that? We're gonna come back to that later. So I'm gonna draw another rectangle again. So there goes that one. Yeah, so from there up to there, that one needs to be 5 millimeters. So 5 millimeters, that is 5. And from there up to there, that one need to be what? So 19 plus 8, which is 27. Okay, so 27, that need to be 27. Great. And I'm gonna make sure that this one is 10 millimeters. Okay, 10 millimeters. And from there up to there, that one need to be 5 millimeters. Okay, you see it moved, so 5 millimeters. And now I'm gonna go for this one. So this side as well, this one need to be 27, so that needs to be 27. Great. And that one need to be 5. Don't worry if your drawing is moving. It's not a big issue, you know. You can still click on escape and click there, bring it back there. Okay, this is up to you, so it's not a big issue, so you can bring it up to there. Alright, so once you have that one in place, what you're gonna do now, you have to go for these ones, this part here. Okay, so here I'm gonna draw a rectangle. So there is my rectangle. I'm gonna draw it like this. That's one plus that one. Okay, you can follow me step by step, it's up to you. So now I'm gonna have this axis there, right? Great. So I want now, I want this one here to be 19. So 19 divided by 2, 9.5. 9.5 minus 5, that will be 3. Come on, that will be 4.5. That will be 4.5. So 9.5 minus 5, 4.5. And this one here will be 8. Okay, this will be 8, and that one will be 8 as well. That will be 8 as well. So this is 4.5, as you can see. Okay, 4.5. And what I want now, I want from there up to there to be 9.5. So that need to be 9.5. Great. The same apply there. 9.5. Let's see. Yes, 9.5. So once I have that in place, the next thing that I need to do here is what? I need to make sure now that what dimension do I need? Okay, that from there up to there is what? So that should be 84. Okay, enter. That should be 84. What else do I need? I think I have that one. And now I want which one? Cool. This one here to be 10115. Enter. So once I have that in place, okay. So I'm missing that one over there. So this one need to be what? So that's 1 minus 5. So that one should be 96.5. Enter. That is great. Okay. So the next thing that I want, I'm gonna give dimension to this one. Okay. So this one here can be 54. 54 is fine. So let's make it 54. 54 is fine. But I'm gonna have to pull it down. So that's one. Let's see how big it is now. So 90.8. I can make it 80. Come on, let's click on it. 80. No. 80. Enter. Okay. So once I have that in place, I think what else do I need? I think I have everything that I need. I have that one. I have those ones. So I need now this. So I'm gonna draw first. Let me go for this line. I'm gonna have this line there. These lines that I'm drawing, they are maxes, so they're just there for guidance. I'm gonna go escape. Then I'll have this one. Let's go like this. That is fine. So that one need to be how much? Let's go for what? 80. 80 is okay. Let's go for 80. Enter. Then from there up to there, that one need to be 40. So 40. That's great. Okay. So again, supposing that this one is not an assembly, okay? According to the information that I have, it does not say that it's an assembly. So what I'm gonna do now is what I need to trim. So I'm gonna trim this part, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna trim this part as well. I'm gonna trim this part, right? I'll come here and trim this part. That part. Escape. You can just click on it and say delete. Okay. So once you have that, what you can do next is you can trim this part as well. So that's one. Okay. Trimming that part. Escape. So just click on it, say delete. Alright. I think that's it, right? So what you can do now, as I said, you can either click finish sketch, does not matter. So you go into 3D model, and then you go revolve. Okay. So first I'm gonna revolve this part. Okay, I'm gonna revolve that part against which axis. You're gonna click on that axis. So that axis, you say okay. So once that is done, you're gonna see the drawing is gone. You're gonna come there, you go on sketch, you right click, you say visibility on. So once the visibility is on, you come here again. Okay. To the model, you click on revolve. So you want to revolve this part here. That spot against this axis. Okay. Against that axis. So what you can do is you click on there, you say revolve. That is revolved. Don't worry about it. You know, you're gonna see how your drawing will be like. So that is done. Again, you click on revolve. So you want to revolve this spot against this axis. Okay, you see. So you have that one. Revolve again. So you want to revolve this spot and that spot against this axis. So that is done. That is done. Sorry. So you can see that. You say okay. So the next thing that you want now is to extrude. So you want to extrude this part here, this whole part. You can see. So now you want to extrude it by what? 25 millimeters. So 25. Okay. But you need to go both sides of your main plane. So you're gonna click on there. Now it goes that way, symmetric. Now you say okay. So now that you have that in place, right? So what you can do next now is to come here you click on visibility, you say visibility off, right? So once the visibility is off, this is how your drawing looks like, but you're not done yet, right? So next, what you need to do is you need to come for the drawing here. Okay, so you click there, you say new sketch. Okay, so you can even do like this. You don't have to worry about the next thing. So now you can see you have that one there. It matches there. Okay, once you give it the dimension, you're gonna see that it's gonna be okay. And then you come there as well. We do another drawing there. You know, that's one there need to be what, 6 millimeters. So they need to be 6 millimeters. That's one need to be what, 10 millimeters. So that needs to be 10 millimeters. So enter. The next thing we want is from there up to there. That's one need to be what, 36 millimeters, 38. So that needs to be 38 millimeters. So enter. Once you're done, you come on 3D extrude. Check again. So you want to extrude that spot and that spot. So that's one you can give it even 100. Okay, just to be covered. 100. See, check out it's gonna be like. Oh, let's give it even 1,000. You know, it's fine. And then we're gonna go both sides like that. The next thing that we want to cut it. So we cut it. So now check. This is how your drawing looks like. Okay. So now the next thing that you want to put now are the fillet. Okay. It says browsing there. That's what I'm saying. So it was not say that this is an assembly. So now what we're gonna do now, you're gonna come there. Okay. You right click. Then you're gonna fillet. Okay. So that one there, I want it to have a fillet of what? Let's put 1.5. 1.5. So now reverse it, invert it, sorry. So I'm gonna add this one. Can do it. So I'm gonna add this one there and invert it, or click on control. That's one as well. That's one as well. Where again? I was clicking on control, so alt control. That's one as well. Alt control. Come on. That's one as well. That's one. Okay. So now that everything is done, or I think down there as well. Control. That's one. Control the keyboard, right? So that is done. Then you say, okay. So this is how your drawing now looks like. Okay, easy, right? I mean, this is why I wanted to share, as somebody approached me so that I could share this one. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. So if it's your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, so that you can be notified every time that we have something new on this channel. So take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Bye.